launched our new collection, Crescendo, a couple weeks ago. So we was a little bit busy handling this and that, but today we spare you some time to do the Q&A that we promised a day after the launch event.
We have posted a photo in our Instagram, ask you guys to ask us questions. And we will answer it in this video. So here I am with the backbones of Senorita. I am Najia, HR Manager.
I'm Nur Sarah as CEO. I'm Atika as Financial Manager.
And I'm Husna as the Marketing Manager. So we received a lot of questions from you guys. Thank you for asking. But we pick randomly the questions and we divide among us. So let's get started. Woo!
So for the first question is from Acap_cars. Okay, how many shorts you guys have sold? How many designs you guys made?
Wow, that's question. We sold more than 1,000, which is very unexpected amount, but we are very sorry we cannot tell you the exact amount of it. But for the design, we made 5 types of flowers, which are rose, tulip, lily, daisy, and also rosy garlic. And each type of the flower, we designed 5 colors, which are sky blue, we have magenta, pearl river, mint, and also byzantine.
Okay, next question is from I.Muhammad Yunus. You all start with being just a vendor to others, but what or who did inspire you all to proceed to produce and launch your own product?
Okay, yes, you're right. We start from the very bottom by just being a vendor company to other product. But from time to time, we started to think that we need to step forward in our business. So we did some research and we realized that nowadays, Muslim women try to be fashionable, but they do feel afraid to expose themselves since they think that religion rules block them to do so. So here we are, we want to make their dream come true, where they can be such a very fashionable women, yet still covering their aura, and they can expose themselves in public with the fashion.
Okay, let's move to the next question from Fiji_Miji. I'm just curious, how did you manage the company? Have you ladies ever argued each other or something?
Okay, don't be so curious about how we manage our company because, come on, we are iron ladies. And about arguing, we used to it actually. We always argue about our opinion. Like, you're not with me and I'm not good with you. But the arguing things lead us to where we are now actually. But we not just argue till the end. We try to figure out what the best we can do. We put our differences aside and just think of what the exact best decision we can make for the sake of our own company. Sometimes we like to combine our ideas, and at the end of the day, we realize that combining each other's idea is the most amazing decision we made. Okay, so that's just question for me.
Yes, it is my turn.
Alright. Okay, so we move to this question come from Fatin Hadira.
Hi, Fatin Hadira.
I have been curious for such a long time. Why did you choose Senorita as your company's name? Please answer me.
Oh, thank you for the question. Okay, as we know, Senorita is a Spain word, means single woman. Since all of the founder and co-founders were single women at that time, so yeah, we use it. Is it pretty?
Okay, yes, so next question come from Rosely Zaman. Went to the launch event and that was so amazing. Really have a lot of fun there. Crescendo are so soft and comfortable. Thank you. I'm falling in love. Please share some tips how to organize such a perfect event.
Thank you, Rosely Zaman, for coming to our event. Okay, you asked me about the tips. Okay, first of all, the event must reflect on the plan and objective that you already set in planning. Okay, then set major tasks like choosing a theme and set a budget for the event. Then divided the employees into teams and assign them to the different tasks, such as creating flyers and graphics, promote the event, who will do the hair makeup, recruit models, and who will find a suitable venue, and oh yeah, for the host of the event, do find someone that famous so that she or he will help us to attract people to come to our event.
Yes.
And also check the accommodation of venue like stage and chairs and the PA system function properly. Don't forget to send invitation inviting VIP, local TV, radio station and local newspaper to ask them to cover our event in their newspaper. Okay, don't forget to do the rehearsal before the big day to make sure everyone know their job and how they will be doing it. And lastly, please evaluate the feedback from the audience. Send them emails for a quick shout out of thanks and provide them with additional information that will make it easier for them to cover the story.
Okay, so next question for you is come from the Lina this month. Who were the handsome guys who set up the runway stage? Are they your employees or part-timers?
Thank you, Lina. Okay, I don't know which handsome guys you mentioned about, but if they were the one who did the setup, I think they were our volunteer students who came to help with preparation. I'm so glad that they can because we were also lack of people to do a lot of tasks that day. They spent the entire day helping us. Oh, I think I should reward them.
We should reward them.
We should reward them. I remember they said they are fashion student from UiTM. If I'm not mistaken, okay, you can find them there. Good luck.
Okay, so the last question for you. Hi, I am a science student and the next 2 months I need to hold a fashion show in my uni as a final project. Can I know any difficulties and how you overcome them during organize? By the way, your new scarf also with the love emoji.
Difficulties. First, setting an event budget is one of the biggest barrier in organizing the event.
Yes.
There is time where we got no sponsor to share out their money to our event. So our company set a clear budget limit and basic framework to ensure that we still in the right path. Also, there was poor time management where there are so much things to do but so little time we have. So we set short and long term targets to make sure things are done where they need to be. I think there is one more. We lack of hands to get the job done during the event. Yes, we recruit some of volunteers to help us, which is that handsome one.
The handsome guy. Okay, so that's all from two of us, and we will pass the other questions to the other two members. So
Here a few questions for you, which is from Sarah Farouk. Today I want to ask you, how many meetings have you conducted in order to manage their fashion show?
Okay. Each event we perform at least 7 times before the event. Okay. Therefore, we take management meeting seriously. The process used in the meeting depends on the type of meeting. Our board plans to hold staff meeting, plan meetings, and solve problem.
Okay. Next question is, how your manager motivate their staff?
First, manager need to communicate better with their staff and employees. The importance of employee communication is often overlooked. You should communicate with them frequently and actually speak with them face to face. Your staff need to know their value, and communicating in person with them is the best way to show your appreciation work, their hard work. Second, the manager need to show good example to them. You cannot expect your employees to work hard or behave the way you want them to if you do not lead by example. If you show your estimate about the company goals, your employees will get on board and work to achieve the goals.
Okay, last question is from FRXS 38. I am one of the MASCOM students. I have made a proposal to create a fashion show in my own uni little bit. Can I know that power your manager exercise for this event and why your manager said so?
Okay. There are some power that the manager exercise as a Power. This power is stemmed from formal authority, which is from the position that is a leader holds within an organization. These authorities based on the obligation and responsibilities associated with particular position and organization or social system. The power that manager also exercise is coercive power. This power to discipline, punish and withhold reward. For example, the threat of being disciplined for not arriving at work on time is effective in influencing many employees to be punctual. Reward power is the ability of a manager or leader to offer something of value, be it of monetary or monetary value. Then power manager use also is information power. This power is based on contrary information. It involves the leader's power to access and distribute information that is either desired by or vital to others. Okay. So this question for you.
Yes.
Okay. Can I know your type of control method that have you used in your company? Because I'm adore with you guys and I want to make you guys as my role model.
Okay. Type of control that we use is pre-action, steering control and screening control. Okay, first pre-action is done at the input level of production. It's different with the other type of control because it provides information about the efficiency on performance by monitoring by monitoring event of input.
Okay.
Okay, steering control is on the transformation process to ensure that it is functioning properly. The primary goal of our company is to spot the problems that have been developed before the event start. Okay, last is the screening control. Is the specific checkpoints that must be successful passed, which is our company must approve first before the scarf launch it. Okay, next.
Okay, the next question for you, from Fika.Shah. Okay. I want to ask you guys, how you control your event to prevent the problem that unexpected during the event?
Okay, about the control is we should setting standard performance that must be set up. The organization must be planned carefully, so we must make the schedule of the event that be arranged conductively. Second is measuring the actual performance. All the organization must be decided what to measure in this event. It is most difficult things to do with the particular partners because third is comparing actual performance with standards. The employee must give full attention to the preparation. And last is we must take corrective action if we have problem before the event start, and we must make meeting with all people to solve the problems.
We go to the next question from Atira Haris. I'm falling in love with your material, very comfortable. How do you monitor your supplier to be one of your company for supply your fabric?
Okay, about the fabric is more important because our material that we use is quality and comfortable to all of us. So we must do something to monitor our supplier to support our material. Our company will make the agreement that must sign a contract with the supplier, so that the supplier may not be willing to cancel the contract before the contract date is end. Okay. That's it.
Okay. So that's one last question for you. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Wow, your event is so amazing, guys. I like all your collection. I am curious to know what are the barriers when your company control the activities.
The problem that I expected will happen is over control because of the limit of our individual employee. When we pursue the due date of the event, sometimes the employer always push the employee to make preparation very fast.
Oh, okay. That's it.
Alright. I think that's all from us. And thank you for asking your question. Thank you for sending your question to us. Keep supporting us and don't forget to get your Skri sandal today.
Also make sure